Hello everyone, this is Venma Pehan. My presentation is about VPC-endpoint. So in this video I will explain how EC2 instance in a private subnet can securely access an S3 bucket without using the internet. Here we go. So overview. The main goal is to understand how to connect the EC2 instance in a private subnet to S3 using IAM row and VPC-endpoint. This method ensures secure access without requiring an internet connection. Before we go into the architecture, let's look at the key concept. IAM role, it provides a short-term credential with permission to secure access AWS service. AWS CLI in Amazon Linux. It is pre-installed and allows us to interact with AWS service from the terminal. And the last, VPC-endpoint. It creates a private link inside the VPC to connect to the AWS service like S3 or DynamoDB. This removes the need for an internet gateway or NAT gateway. In the initial setup, an EC2 instance in a public subnet can connect to the internet and access S3. But an EC2 instance in a private subnet cannot reach S3 directly because it has no internet route. This is why we need a VPC-endpoint. The steps are: launch a public subnet instance and launch a private subnet instance. Use SSH access for management. Here I create a test file using echo hello greater than hello.txt. This is a command line to create a file, text file. Then I try to upload it to S3 using AWS S3 CP hello.txt S3 : bucket name -- region AP south1. This is also command line to upload your file to S3. From the private instance, it is filed and showed timed out. This happens because the private subnet does not have an internet route. To fix this, we create a VPC-endpoint. The steps are: go to VPC and go to endpoints and create endpoint. Name it as per your wish, but for example, demo-s VPC-endpoint. Select service categories, AWS services S3. Don't forget to choose the gateway type and select the VPC and attach it to the private route table. After this, the route to S3 is added automatically. Now when I run the same upload command from the private instance, AWS S3 CP hello.txt, text S3 : / bucket name -- region AP south1. This time it works successfully. So the flow is public instance internet S3 and private instance tends to VPC-endpoint tends to S3. After testing, we should clean up to avoid charges. Terminate the EC2 instance, delete the VPC-endpoint. That's it. To summarize, VPC-endpoint allows private access to AWS service. It removes the need for internet gateway and NAT gateway and works together with IAM roles for secure permission. It increases both security and cost efficiency. Thank you.